just 7 days from our adventure of Scandinavia, and we are off to get our big van serviced all the way down in Portsmouth. So that's like a 450-mile round trip just to get a cam belt done and a major service. Why is that?
Because this garage is recommended for motorhomes and have got a good reputation, so it's worth doing the journey for, we hope.
Okay, we'll see that when we get there, and when we hopefully, fingers crossed, coming home tomorrow night. So we're going to have to stay the night down there. So we're going to stay at a place called Portsmouth, I believe.
Yeah,
that's
right.
Where we've rang and asked them if we can stay, and they said, yeah, sure. So let's get going. So
let's
time to go and catch up later. So we touched on why we'd travelled all this way to a dealer, a Fiat Professional dealer, all the way down in Portsmouth, all the way from Cheshire. It seems a little extravagant, but it does have good reviews, namely because it seems to know a lot about the Comfortmatic gearbox, but we don't even have a Comfortmatic gearbox. So we've got no interest in coming here for a Comfortmatic gearbox. But because the reviews are so good, we have a little bit of a suspicion with garages. We have a nice little garage near to us, which normally takes care of all of our services. But this is the first major service for the van. So being a major service, it's having the cam belt done and numerous other things to keep in line with what Fiat suggest. I apologise for the little bit of noise that you might hear in the background. That's Nikki pouring her gin, which is as per normal. So just to take you through our van engine size, I have promised a good walk around our van later, and I promise I will do, or Nikki and I will do that, and take you through what we're going away camping in, or camping. Is it camping, babe? Do you call it camping? Touring. It's not camping. Okay, it's not camping. It's posh camping. So engine size. Okay, we have 6 wheels, so a tag axle. Ducato based, Fiat Ducato based, 2.3, 180 brake horse. For such a big van, you'd think that's underpowered. It's not underpowered. It's amazingly well powered. It'll pull 60, 65, very stable on the road with the additional wheels. So we're 8 meters long, just on 8 meters and an inch, but we're hoping when we're away that when they measure us for all the ferries and that, they'll let us go at 8 meters. Nikki's giving a bit of a frown, but we also do have a tow bar that I fitted because I just had a feeling that if we ever got stuck and had to be towed out backwards, we didn't have anywhere to tow on, so that's why we added a tow bar. Not for any other purpose really. Other than it takes a bike rack from time to time. So that's our engine setup. And we'll see how we get on. Unfortunately, coming all this way, one thing Nikki neglected to tell me is that we'd have to have a van there at 7 a.m. in the morning to give them a chance to get everything done and fixed before the end of the day, so that we can drive home tomorrow on a work day. So quite a bit frantic to get it all done in that day. But this does give us a little bit more time for when we go away next week but instead of having it done on a Monday or Tuesday, which we were initially planned for, and then driving from here to Dover, we can have it done today, and then next Friday we could drive all the way down to Dover and get the ferry, and we'll have a long extra weekend, so an extra 4 or 5 days. You might think that 3 months is enough, but it's amazing with our itinerary how 3 months can get eaten into very, very quickly. But we'll see how we go. So there we have it, one service completed, total cost £1,462. Ouch, ouch, ouch. But we have had a fantastic day over the Isle of Wight whilst it was all being fitted and fixed, and we're now ready for the 4+ hour drive back home. Was it worth it? Well, very professional dealership, very professional, kind, nice people, worked hard to get it done, putting it in earlier so we can come back on the same day. Yeah, so much cheaper than our local dealer, which was Travel World Motorhomes, of whom we shall never speak. So much cheaper, and even with that cost and the cost of fuel to get here, it works out much cheaper, and we had a day out as well. So what do you think, hun? Enjoyed that? Huh?
All good.
Where are you?
I've got very tired legs now.
Got very tired legs. How many miles have we cycled?
Oh, about 35.
About 35. Where are you?
I'm on the floor putting things away.
Okay. Putting things away because the service book was under the floor, and Madam wanted to make sure that the service book was stamped up. Although, of course, I do have the paper.